Hey guys, I'm David.
And I'm Aaron.
And we are Adventures of David and Aaron. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this is our official room tour. We are at the Crowne Plaza Hotel, Los Angeles Harbor. We are staying in room 1032. So as you enter the room, we were also upgraded to this room. This is a suite. As you come into the room, this is your view. So you have a small seating area. With a picture window. Outside of the window you will see the swimming pool and hot tub. And off to the left, the Los Angeles Harbor. Across from the seating area, you will see this nice television. You have drawers, ample storage space, 6 drawers. You have a desk with a phone, lamp, information about the hotel, and you also have a menu of the restaurant items. And we'll check out the last page for you. Into the bathroom, you have your makeup mirror, lighted mirror, your shower amenities, and then you have this tub, shower head, large shower head combo. As you exit the restroom, come to your left, you have your bedroom. Along with television, safe. You have a refrigerator. And an in-room safe. 3 drawers for ample storage. He also comes with a Keurig coffee maker. And another view of the Los Angeles Harbor. On the sides of the bed, you will find, on this side, sorry. No, actually on both sides. We'll find plugs, USB, and for your cell phone, electric, telephone, nightstands, ample storage, and on this side as well. So guys, I hope if you plan on visiting the Los Angeles Harbor area, or you're doing a cruise out of Los Angeles Harbor, that you would consider the Crowne Plaza Los Angeles Harbor Hotel. We have thoroughly enjoyed this hotel and this room. We highly recommend it. And as always guys, thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Follow us on Instagram at Adventures of David and Aaron. You can also follow us on Twitter at Adventures of DNA. And guys, remember, enjoy life, make it an adventure. Thanks for watching.